New Kia XCeed 2023 has been revealed and customers will be able to choose between various powertrain options from petrol turbocharged and mild hybrid to the advanced plug-in hybrid powertrain, and for those who regularly cover long distances, the XCeed is also available with the diesel mild hybrid. Most powerful variant of the XCeed has got 204 horsepower and 265 Nm of torque, which allows the acceleration from 0 to 100 in just 7.5 seconds when equipped with the 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. Tell me in the comments what would be your choice of an engine for this model and how do you like the new design.